Hello guys, so day 36. Today's problem is that median of two sorted array of different sizes. The question is here, we have given two sorted array and we have to merge it and make single sorted array. After that we just have to return the middle index. Okay, median is nothing but the middle index element. Okay, so here as I will discuss three approaches. The first and second approach is so similar. Okay, the first approach is here that we just have to declare another vector and push all the elements of A and B to newly created vector. After pushing that, we just have to sort the new created vector. Okay, after sorting, we just have to return it down the middle index. Okay, it's so simple. The second approach is here that in vector A, we have to add all the elements of vector B. Okay, so it will not create another vector. So we are just inserting all the vector elements to the new old vector elements, vector only. After sorting that, we just have to return the middle index. Okay, and the third approach is here. For third approach, I have created visualization. As we know here, both the array is already sorted. We just have to find it out the middle index. So we can traverse both the arrays till we will find it out the middle index. Okay. So each time we just have to check this element is less than this element. Okay, so this element is less, then we just have to increment it. Okay, how many times we have to increment that? Till that point, we found the middle index element. Okay, so the middle index element is nothing but we just have to add these two array length. After that, we will find it out the middle index element easily. Okay, so here is 3 and 3. We just have to increment this as okay 4 because this both are equal, then we just have to increment it. Next time 3, this 4 is greater than 3. Okay, so 3 will move to the 5. The next time this 4 will move to the 6, 5 will move to the 6. Okay, so we have to find it out the mid 1 and mid 2. Okay, so this is the another part. I will take another example for that. Here the first time we found mid index. Okay, so previously this will be our mid 1 and this will be our mid 2. So this is our answer. Okay, why this is our answer? Because the array length of combined these two array is 11, so we have to find it out the sixth element. So finding the sixth element, we just have to move to the sixth. Okay, like this way. If there are even number of elements in there present, okay, so for that I have I will explain you. That's why I have created this mid 1 and mid 2. Okay, so mid 2 represent the middle index of that vector. Okay, what happened here? Okay, so it will working fine in this. Okay, here as you can see, here I have taken even number of element size. So we just have to check all these elements and we have to traverse till mid 1. Mid 1 is nothing but the middle index and its previous index. Okay, so the middle index is 7 and mid 1 index is 6. Okay, so for this I have write it down the complete code. I will explain you here as well. Just a minute. The intuition behind is that we just have to traverse till mid index, and while traversing we just have to find it out the mid 1 and mid 2. Mid 1 is nothing but the index which is previous than its mid 1, and mid 2 is nothing but the middle index. Okay, so I have declare all these variables, we have to traverse till mid index. Okay, mid index is nothing but the total by 2. Okay, this is total by 2. Here we have to just traverse till mid index. While traversing, we just have to check all the elements. If the array element is less than array of b element, then we just have to increment I, else j. Okay, and here I'm storing the mid 1 and mid 2. After storing that, we just have to return it down the middle index as per the total number of elements present. Okay, so for this the time complexity is O of n plus n, and for this the time complexity is O of n log n. Thank you.